पर इस केस को चलाकर 30 दिन के अंदर अंदर इसका फैसला होना चाहिए।
महिलाओं की सुरक्षा जो है वो मुहैया कराए, किसी वारदात होने का इंतजार न करें।
This case will be dealt with in a very, very severe manner.
मिलने को तैयार हूँ, मुझे किसी से ये नहीं है, लेकिन पीसफुल तरीके से आए।
Good evening and welcome. We are coming to you live from India Gate, continuing protests against the rape of a 23-year-old victim on a moving bus in Delhi, in South Delhi, a couple of days ago. At this stage, there are about 250 to 300 protesters in different parts of the India Gate area. A small gathering of people over here in the scandal-lit protest. But I can tell you that the number of people has increased in the last little while, and there is a sense of outrage that we are seeing over here. It's a sense of outrage which we've seen in other parts of the country as well. Over the next 1 hour, we'll be bringing you reactions, not just over here, but from across India, because this is a story which has got pan-Indian resonance. A sense of outrage is what has happened, not just for this one case, but because stories of rape are being repeated over and over and over again. Something seems to be fundamentally wrong in our country, in our system. What is that? Who's responsible? And will there ever be substantial change? That's what we're going to look at. But first, let's also bring you some images of what happened earlier this morning when there were protests outside the residence of the Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit. When those protests took place, there were water cannons which were fired on some of the protesters. They had to disperse from that area. Many of those protesters, through the course of the evening, have come over here to India Gate, and they are participating in different protests all around me, not just the small gathering that we have over here.
कि जो कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन देना चाहे, 2-3 जने अंदर आ जाए, मैं मिलने को तैयार हूँ, मुझे किसी से ये नहीं है। आई वुड लाइक पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड, तो लेकिन पीसफुल तरीके से आए। जरूर है, मैं जा रही हूँ, मैंने कहा कि आ जाए 2-3 जने, जितना भी मिले।
आपको लगता? All right, well, a couple of very important developments today. Let's run you through this case, as it were. Firstly, despite all the criticism that the Delhi police has been at the receiving end of, the 3 remaining suspects in this case have been captured. They've been produced in a court and they've admitted to the crime. That's number one. Secondly, the victim herself, the rape survivor, has undergone a 5th surgery today. Her condition, it remains critical, but for the moment is a little stable. We hope that remains the case. Now, her condition is of importance to people across the country. Everybody wants this person who's gone through this horror to survive. In terms of the surgery, there was more surgery on her intestine, which was badly injured, badly mutilated when the attack took place. So today's surgery was another life-saving surgery, we are told, again on her intestine. An effort doctors hope will ultimately ensure that she lives. My colleague Neha Khanna is also in this India Gate area. Let's go quickly across to her for another glimpse of these protests. Neha.
Well, Vishnu, as you can see here, a surcharged atmosphere, emotions running high. A lot of young men and women have gathered here at India Gate tonight only to send out one message. Enough is enough. This case has to be a turning point and things have to change. Here, right behind me, you can see a huge amount of slogan shouting with these young men and women holding torches, saying only one thing: we want justice. They want to make their voices heard tonight. They want their voices to reach the authorities tonight, Vishnu. That is what these young men and women here have come here for. Let's in fact try and get a few voices here. You tell us what compelled you to come here. what difference you think you can make by making your voice heard?
First of all, we have to make our voices heard to the legislature that they have to amend the laws of the rape. Last time it was amended in 1976. Now have to amend it again. It has to be made exhaustive enough to punish the person. Secondly, the laws that are made which are not stringent enough to punish the accused.
Stricter laws and stricter implementation, that's what we want. If I could get some male voices in, a lot of young men have also come here. Tell me, what made you come here? Why do you think it is important for young men like you to make your voices heard?
मैम मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इनको फांसी देनी चाहिए, अगर इससे भी कोई खतरनाक सजा है तो इन्हें वो देनी चाहिए, बल्कि इन्हें तो टुकड़े टुकड़े में काट के फेंक देना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से इन्होंने चलती बस में लड़की के साथ रेप किया है वो बहुत ही गलत हुआ है और इन्हें जान से जरूर मार देना चाहिए।
बहुत गुस्सा है लोगों में, everybody is angry, everybody wants strongest possible action to be taken against these men. You tell me, now that you've come here tonight to make your voice heard, you're participating in this protest, do you think people like you will be able to sustain this movement, or you think it's going to die down in another few days like we've seen before?
No, really, if we are going to carry this movement, protest against that rapist, then suddenly it will come to an end point. That really the government should help, listen our voice, that we should get some points.
Right.